Hi bakers, I'm Crystal the Cake Lady, and today's featured recipe is actually a gluten-free recipe. I'm going to be showing you how to make flourless chocolate cake. Now if you've never had flourless chocolate cake before, it's not airy and spongy like a lot of cakes. It's more dense and fudgy, super decadent and rich. It's really delicious. If you're interested in learning how to make it, stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Here's what you're going to need. An 8-inch pan, and of course, baker's joy, a stick of butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips, a half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 large eggs, and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Now that you know the basic recipe for flourless chocolate cake, there's all kinds of ways you can add in additional flavors. For example, you can add 2 teaspoons of espresso powder for a mocha flavor, or you can add a couple of teaspoons of any type of flavoring extract. I know a lot of people love raspberry and chocolate together, so a couple teaspoons of raspberry extract. Lastly, you can add a couple of tablespoons of your favorite type of spirit or liqueur. The alcohol will cook out while it's baking, and you can introduce other flavors by doing it that way. For example, maybe brandy or amaretto. Maybe you have some ideas that I haven't even mentioned. If so, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy baking!